The chickens.
Hi, chicks.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Ho 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 ho! What's up, beautiful people? It's Ricky Jones Jr. back again for another video. We will be incorporating or bringing home, welcoming home, whatever you want to call it, the new additions to the family. We have chicks, ladies and gentlemen. And so I'm going to go ahead and get these bad boys out of this here box because I peeked in and there was some poops already in there, and I heard chickens love to poop. And so I don't want them to just be walking around in their poop. So I'm gonna just go ahead and prepare the area, the space, and I'm gonna show you all everything, all the steps, so that when you do it, you know how to do it too. So let's go ahead and start with I don't know what we're gonna start with, but you'll see. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start off with are some pine shavings, which I have the large ones, which are said to be better for baby chicks. Oh, that'll work. Make sure we have a nice covered bedding. We're gonna open up this here kit, get the watering scenario out, as well as the feed. Here's my little booklet. I'll put the link for the kit down below if it's something that you want to get as well. Alright, that's the bulb, and that's the holder for that. Oh, it was together. I was about to say, man, I'm missing in a water container. And so with the water container, you're new to this like me, trying to figure it out, right? I think it's this one. Yep. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna put some water in here, I'll put some feed in here, and then we can bring on the chickens. Alright, so for those that know me, I collect rainwater. So I will be using my rain water barrel for my watering. Put it in a corner over there. It's nice. So again, I purchased this kit. Links will be down below for the kit. But she said to recommended me to feed them a little bit of food multiple times a day. And so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Obviously, we don't really know what a little bit means in the beginning, but we're gonna give it a try, see what happens. So I'm using this organic food mix. So I'm using an organic mix, which I will put, well, I'll show you all which one I'm using. But from here, I'm gonna put some feed down, which she said if you put food down, they are gonna eat. And honestly, I don't know how much is a little, so I'm gonna just make sure there's enough. Alright, can't go wrong with that. And then you just wanna close it off so that they can't do too much damage as far as pooping and things like that are concerned. And so we're just gonna place it down like so. Let me put this in the center so that it's able to be attended to from all different ways, which I'll probably just have to come back out here and refill it at night. But now, ladies and gentlemen, we can bring the chicks in. Or maybe I should fix this first. I don't know. I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. Maybe I should do the lights. Let me do the light, and then we'll incorporate the chickens into their new homes. Well, let's bring the chickens. Why not? Let's bring the chickens. All right. So these are the first batch of chickens. Woo! All right. the first wave. Welcome to your new home, chicks. Oh, there's chicks in there. Let's scoot them in there. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Ah, they look happy. Oh. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have chickens. How about that? And look, they're already crawling on top, which is not really what we want, but it's okay. It's okay. It's a start, right? It's a start. Alright, so as you can see, they've probably been in here about 3 minutes. All they want to do right now is eat, eat, eat. They're not even paying attention so much so to the water, but it's all about the food right now, which is pretty cool. And the lady recommended me to put little things in there for them to play with. I had a little wood block, so that's what I went with so far. Obviously, I add some more things for them as well as they grow. And, you know, I don't know. We'll see. But they're not going to stay right here. I'm going to set up the lamp situation right there indoors. And so I'm going to go set that up. I'll show you how to set it up, but then I'll show you all it in its new home and dwell in place, and then we'll go from there. All right, great people. So now they're going to their new home. So just so you all know, this is telling me now with the lamp where it is right now and them being cooped over there, that lets me know the lamp is too low. And so with it being too low, that means it's too hot here. And so quite honestly, it's probably about 13 inches. I need to go up about 5 more. And you see them all over there to the side, which is away from the food, which says quite a bit. And so what I'm gonna do is just move the light higher, and we should see them kind of, you know, ideally we do want them under the light and not just all bundled up over there. That is not comforting for them. And so we're gonna head and make this adjustment, and then we'll reassess them from there. So I'm just paying attention to now the new placement of the light bulb. If none of the chickens come to where the light is, I know I need to raise it more, which is not a problem. Anything for the chickens and their comfort, right? That's what you do as a chicken parent. But currently none of them are coming over this way, which is not the best of signs, but I am attentive. Alright, great people, so I think I figured it out. I had to make a full adjustment, but it's cool because I was able to house the food and the shavings there. But yeah, they're just going on my little bookshelf situation that I built on the side, which is cool because the lamp is there and I will be able to elevate the lamp if and when necessary. Honestly, I don't know why I would do so, but as you can see now, they are not just staying cramped in one section or one area, but they are moving freely about the hair contraption itself. And so even now, I'm even mindful and will be mindful of their movements here about the hair container, right? And so even if they do kind of shy away from this area, I'll just look to raise it up a little bit more and we'll go and flow from there. But honestly, this is good to go. If they need to sleep, they can rest there. As you can see, boom, there's even one already over there. And you know, we'll be good to go from here. So again, make sure y'all stay tuned so you can see the kids' reactions to seeing the here baby chicks. Ladies and gentlemen, we have chicks on the channel. Chicks are on the channel, man. We are now gardening and we are raising chicks all together at the same time. But hey, fun times ahead. I see now we need to clean out this here water area. So, all right, next up are the kiddos.
Raindrop, raindrop.
Yes.
What's up, girl?
Hi, Daddy.
That's something in here.
What?
You want to see what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Ducks.
Those are chickens.
Hi, chicks.
Can you see the chickens?
I want to name them.
Okay.
Your name is Chicken.
Okay.
And your name is Chick. And your name is Fluffy. Your name is Princess.
Okay.
And your name is Flower.
Okay.
And all your names.
Ricky, what do you think about the chickens? Ricky, what do you think about the chickens? Oh,
I like the chickens.
you like the chickens?
You want to touch it?
Go ahead.
No, he like touch it.
What's it doing with the running?
Hmm?
They're running. He said, why are they running?
I'm just a little nervous of you.
They don't know. You have to introduce yourself. Tell them your name.
I don't know their name.
No, you got to tell them your name.
Their name is Beatles.
Say, hi, I'm Ricky.
Hi, Ricky.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me pull it down.
Chicken.
So what do you think?
Daisy, what are you doing? Daisy.
Oh, you calling one of them Daisy?
Yeah. Daisy and Coco. The names.
Okay, what are the names?
Again,
You said Fluffy, Chicken.
Daisy and Chick.
Okay.
Daisy, what are you doing?
He's touching them. That's okay. You can touch them.
I'm saying Daisy. Daisy is one of the birds.
Oh.
Wait, they have
Mickey
wings.
Mouse.
They have wings. So they.
Yes, they're baby chicks. They're gonna be able to fly a little bit one day.
But how is? Are you gonna cut them?
No.
Great.
No, they're gonna have eggs. They're gonna make eggs that we can eat. Fresh eggs.
Wait, they're gonna have babies.
I mean, they're babies right now. They're less than 1 month old.
The lesson.
What do you say?
The lesson. Oh look.
I don't know if they. I know.
Those.
You said they're less than 1 month old. He said
Oh,
they're
yes.
less than.
Yes.
Mommy, Daddy,
No, not yet.
That's in the line. There's two that's in the line.
So, you like the chicks?
How did you get that?
The chickens?
Mhm.
I bought them from the store.
How?
I went and gave them money, and they gave me these.
Oh.
Oh.
Get one.
So you like it, Ricky?
Yes, I love them.
You like
Daddy, but
Yes.
Gentle,
feet
gentle.
needs to get cut out.
You gotta see.
No. Yeah. So you have the chicks.
Oh, look, Daddy's petting it.
They're lucky.
Mhm.
Those.
So they're ours. We're gonna put them in the backyard when they get bigger, but for now they're gonna stay in the garage.
Yes, and we're gonna. And what do they like to eat?
Bird food. It looks like that.
Okay.
That's their food.
One day we can feed them.
Okay. I'm into that.
Wait, what
We'll
they're
feed
walking
them.
on?
We'll feed them tomorrow night together.
What they're walking on?
It's called shavings. Pine shavings.
So they like little cutie.
All right, Ricky, you ready for the life, my man?
I'm ready for these cuties. I want to pick one up.
No.
Can I pick one up, Daddy?
Sure. All right. So what are we gonna go for?
We're gonna go for. Oh, that one just. Is there one like a cheetah?
No. They're all chicks. No cheetahs.
Chicks?
100% chickens.
Oh, these are real chicks. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's like chicks that like. I don't want to scratch you.
No, you can just touch them.
Yeah, don't scratch.
See? Touches.
What is his scratch? Is it like his scratch? Eat it. Eat it.
Let me see. Let me grab one. Oh, no.
This one's like, no, no, no. I don't want to get touched. Oh, I don't.
See? No, you don't have to hold it. I'll hold it. You can just touch them.
When they're all looking. Are they gonna have hands?
Oh, no, they don't have hands. They just have wings and they have feet.
Actually, I just learned about their wings are their hands.
Yes, that's true. So, we like the chickens?
Yes, I'm staying out here.
You like them? Ricky, you like the chickens?
I'll stay out here.
All right, so the kids love the chickens. Thumbs up for the chickens. Woo-hoo!